Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today's story teaches us a very important lesson. Even if people are very different, they can still become friends. Sometimes all it takes is kindness and understanding. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this simple English story called Enemies Become Friends. Let's begin. Enemies become friends. Tippy was a happy golden dog. He had soft fur, big brown eyes, and a tail that always moved. Kitty was a gray cat with green eyes. She was quiet and liked to stay clean and calm. Tippy and Kitty lived in the same house. Their owner was a little boy named Donnie. He was 8 years old. Donnie loved both Tippy and Kitty very much. Tippy had been with Donnie since his 6th birthday. They were best friends. Tippy followed Donnie everywhere, into the garden, into his room, and even to the park. Kitty came later. Donnie's father found her one cold night under the porch. She was very small and shaking because of the snow. Donnie's family took her in, gave her food, and made her a warm bed by the window. But from the first day, Tippy and Kitty did not like each other. Tippy wanted to play all the time. He barked and ran around the house. He tried to play with Kitty, but she didn't want to play. When Tippy got close, Kitty hissed and ran away. Sometimes she jumped up the curtains or onto the shelves. "Why can't you two just be friends?" Donnie said again and again. His mother sighed every time she saw another hole in the curtain. Days passed and things didn't get better. Tippy chased Kitty almost every morning. Kitty stayed high on the bookshelf, watching him like a little queen. One rainy afternoon, Donnie was doing his homework at the kitchen table. The wind was blowing outside, and thunder made loud sounds in the sky. Suddenly, there was a big flash and a boom. Kitty, who hated loud noises, jumped up in fear. She ran straight toward the open door that led to the backyard. The wind pushed the door wider, and before Donnie could stop her, Kitty ran out into the storm. "Kitty!" Donnie shouted, running to the door. But it was raining too hard. His mother told him to stay inside. Donnie began to cry. Tippy watched Donnie. He didn't like to see his best friend sad. He barked once and ran outside into the rain. "Tippy, come back," Donnie called, but Tippy was already gone. The rain poured down and the sky was dark. Tippy used his nose to smell the air. He followed Kitty's scent to the garden, then to the fence. Finally, he found her under a bush, cold and wet. She was shaken with fear. Tippy barked softly and wagged his tail. He didn't chase her this time. He just stayed beside her and barked again, as if to say, "Come with me, it's safe now." Slowly, Kitty stood up. She looked at Tippy and meowed softly. Then she followed him back to the house. When Donnie opened the door and saw them both, he was so happy. "You found her, Tippy," he said, hugging the wet dog. "Good boy." Tippy wagged his tail proudly. Kitty walked over to the warm fire and sat down. Tippy lay next to her. For the first time, they didn't fight. From that day on, things changed. Kitty still liked quiet places, and Tippy still loved to play. But now they understood each other. Sometimes Kitty even let Tippy sleep next to her bed. Donnie smiled when he saw them together. "See," he said, "you can be friends." And from then on, they were. So, what lesson can we learn from this story? Even when people, or animals are different, they can still become friends. Kindness, understanding, and care can change everything. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. And remember, keep learning English every day. Bye for now.